Hello everyone, this is sprint 2 of our workspace reservation management. In sprint 1, we basically had the reservation tracker, the workspace maintenance module, and the workspace options. In sprint 1, everything was handled manually, but in sprint 2, everything has become automated. So I'm just going to walk you all through it. So this is our service portal where we can make our reservation. Workspace. Click on reservation request. And we're just going to input our details quickly. If we should, in our end date and time field, if we should click on a date before the actual start date, we're going to get an error message which tells us that the end date should not be before the start date. So this was done with the client script. So we're just going to click on 16, the purpose of visit. Go to select workspace, automatically populate the location. Okay, order now. Checkout. So for this, I'm just going to create another record quickly so that I can show you all the approval and the rejection. Just going to do this quickly. Okay. Let's select the workspace, location populated. Let's order now. Checkout. All right, that was done. So we're just going to go in and approve and reject those requests, approvals. As you can see, we have two requested. Click on one. Like I told you, everything now is now automated. So if we approve this record, we're going to receive a notification in our Discord because we integrated the Discord. It's what we're doing. So approve. As you can see, we just received the notification. In the notification, we have an embedded link. This link takes you directly to that form. We're just going to go back so I can show you all the rejects. You can't reject without including a comment. So you just have to put a comment. Space in the Peter. Then reject. Another notification telling you rejected. So if we go to our notification, we're going to see that we received a notification telling us that our space has either been rejected or approved. So for the rejected, there it is. So we're just going to click on that preview email and it tells you was rejected. We are sorry to inform you that your reservation for hotdesk A or 102 workspace was rejected. If it was approved, you get an approval request, an approval notification, sorry. I'm just going to click on that and it's just going to tell you it has been approved. Okay, where is that email? Reservation confirmed. Okay, there it is. So with that being said, we also have our SLEs. Sorry. An SLEs, this is just the time it takes a process team to get the work done. So I'm just going to go through that quickly. As you can see, the XL is currently 25%. Business time left 1 minute. If this XLE should either reach 50% or 76%, we're going to get a notification telling us that our SLA has reached this particular percent. And once it has been breached, it will tell us our SLA has been breached, as you can see. we received a notification telling us it has reached 75%, and we also received a notification telling us it has been breached. So let's preview the one telling us it has been breached. Let's say SLA Workspace reservation fulfillment associated with, which is the requested item assigned to, has been breached. So that will be all for the workspace reservation. So now let's go through something else, which is for when the managers want to make an import. That will be the import on demand. The import on demand helps them to quickly get those imports without going through the system. They basically cut them some time of, of going through stress and just trying to process stuff. We're just going to input an Excel file that I created. I'm going to click on order now. So once we click on checkout, the managers will also receive a notification telling them that their report has landed. Okay, view your input results. As you can see, preview email. Thank you for submitting an input on demand request on this particular day and time. Total rows 5, inserted row zeros. So we're just going to go through our workspace options to check if that was imported successfully. Okay, all. Okay, let's go through the ending. All right, here it is. It was imported successfully. So let's confirm. Okay. Okay, hot desk on, conference room. All right. Okay. Yes, it was imported successfully. So that will be all for sprint 2. Thank you.